Number 5. Number 4.
Our examples were the world's most stylish and handy wallets. We added exquisite operating characteristics and a practical design. Aviador is not just a practical and beautiful accessory, but also a multifunctional device with a set of absolutely unique features. It's a totally new kind of accessory that you have never seen before. The tracking option will prevent you from losing sight of your wallet and losing your money and valuable information. The connection works both ways. Not only can you find your wallet using your mobile phone, but you can also find your mobile phone using your wallet. Aviador can tell you when your wallet is being opened. You don't need to worry about your wallet and your mobile phone. You'd better take care of yourself. In case of a dangerous event, you can calmly give the mugger your wallet after you break one of its corners. This panic button will activate the SOS regime, immediately showing the location of the mugger. This data could be used to help the police, to notify your relatives, or for your own personal use. That's not all. One of the wallet's features is a built-in NFC chip, which means that you can pay for your purchases, provide personal information from your business card, and so on. Check out the NFC options. Aviador is also equipped to be used as an electronic key. We designed the wallet with you in mind, and we didn't forget your information storage needs. Aviador has an 8GB memory card built in. We are sure this will be the most original and useful present for a person you care about. A present that shows you have an amazing sense of style. When designing the wallet, we paid particular attention to the quality. The wallet is handmade. We use col de leather, which is perhaps the finest leather in the world. We apply rigorous quality standards to the metal part of the wallet that contains the digital information of the device and the memory card. This will make your wallet truly unique, durable, and very stylish. Aviador, your chance to speed up the future.
Number 3.
Meet Exter, the next generation wallet. This ultra-slim trackable wallet comes in 2 models and 4 colors. Let's take it for a spin. This wallet is designed for those who live an upbeat lifestyle, looking for the perfect combination between practicality and style. Let's be honest, no one likes to fidget, which is why we designed a wallet with the fastest card access to date, allowing you to access your cards with the click of a button. And of course, it offers a variety of easy storage possibilities. Our wallets provide RFID protection against skimming and data theft, but also offer space for scanner cards to speed up your day.
Nice wallet. Thanks.
And all of this is packed into an ultra-slim and compact design. Hold on there, stranger. We're not done yet. Using Tile's smart location technology, we designed an ultra-slim solar-powered tracking device. The Tile app remembers the last place you had your wallet and is connected to a global lost and found network. Lost your wallet? Simply give it a ring to find it. Is all of this way too James Bond for you? Then settle for the Extra iPhone case, offering room for cards, cash, an extra SIM card, and a reset pin. Extra, optimizing your daily essentials.
Number 2.
We don't like leather wallets, do we, Kit?
No, we don't, Matt. So we made this. The micro wallet was conceived as a joint appreciation of minimalist design.
As we grew frustrated with traditional leather wallets only lasting several months instead of several years. And as designers, we knew we could do better. We set ourselves a pretty challenging brief to design a minimalist wallet that was not only aesthetically beautiful, but functionally superior to anything else on the market.
Our years of industry experience enabled us to quickly evaluate our designs, taking them from initial concept through to sourcing manufacturing partners for mass production.
Our use of PVD coating would rival most high-end watches. This provides an extremely high scratch-resistant finish.
We had concerns about our product's strength, so we decided to test it.
Ready, Kit?
We fitted our wallet with a low-friction TPU strap. This prevents it from sticking to your clothes. Holding all your cards securely, you no longer have to remove them to make a payment.
One of our proudest achievements is its full functionality of a regular wallet without the bulk. Believe it or not, we've even managed to find space for your change.
We've sourced our suppliers, we've manufactured our prototypes, and we've tested them to their limits.
And this is where we need your help, the Kickstarter community, to help fund this campaign and make the first production run of the micro wallet a huge success. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Number 1.